Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly why your iPad overheats when you are using notes with the Apple Pencil 2 in 2026. So when you write with Apple Pencil, your iPad is doing real-time rendering, pressure detection, and palm rejection at the same time. So this constant processing puts the load on the CPU and GPU, which is going to generate the heat, especially during the long sessions. Using the notes usually means that your screen is on continuously at high brightness. So the display itself is one of the biggest heat sources on an iPad, especially in the bright environments. If multiple apps are running in the background, your iPad is handling extra processes while you are writing. So this also increases overall system loads and causes more heat. If your iPad is charging while you are using the notes, it can then also heat up faster. Charging plus active usage is equal to more power consumption and is equal to more heat. Now, sometimes notes or the iPad operating system has bugs that can also cause higher CPU usage than normal, especially after the updates. So using a iPad on the soft surface like a bed or the pillow blocks the airflow, and in this particular situation as well, the temperature can shoot up. Now slight warmth is completely normal, but if your iPad becomes very hot, if it lags or if dims the brightness, then it needs attention. So these are some of the reasons why your iPad overheats when you are using notes. So if this video helped you understand the issue, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.